Hi guys, it's Thomas here from COTBASE.com. Welcome to our weekly COT review. Today we're going to be analyzing the 29th Commitments of Traders Report of 2026. And as we always do, we shall start off by looking at the largest changes in commercials net positions. We are of course analyzing the classic Commitments of Traders Report. It's got the longest history of COT data. Futures and options data combined, and of course net positions. As I said, you can see over here net positions. We've got commercials in red, large speculators in green, and then on a separate scale chart, small speculators. Don't forget, when it comes to livestock markets, so we're talking about live cattle, feeder cattle, and lean hogs, a bunch of commercials don't reach the reporting limit, so they're categorized into the non-reportables category, or as we call them, small speculators. So the blue line is correlating more with the red line, commercials, than in most cases in other markets, the large speculators. So that's something you should keep in mind. And then, of course, we have this iCOT scores chart on top, which is our own unique tool we developed after many years of research, bringing you COT analysis into the real-time frame. It's a great tool to supplement classic COT analysis, and if there's no reports, which unfortunately has happened a couple times, you can actually rely on it really well. By the way, you can see this beautiful bearish signal from the iCOT scores just around that top, and then a wonderful buy signal at the bottom. It's a very great tool. I strongly suggest using it right now after this decline that's been going on since mid-June, so basically a month now. We are getting a bullish reading from the iCOT scores. Now, of course, we are analyzing the classic COT report, so let's talk about that. 37% change. So if we take large speculators down and just focus our attention on commercials net positions, you can see that 37% change over here. If we compare that to the past 1 year, we have, of course, a 1-year chart open. It's clear that it is the largest change in the past 1 year. So not only do we have a supporting iCOT scores reading, but also a much greater than average change size in live cattle. So those are bullish signals. Let's switch our attention over to the 5 years chart to see and understand if we have any sort of a COT Extreme signal, and that is not the case. So what you do, we're looking at commercials right now. You take this horizontal line and you measure the most recent net position value compared to the past 5 years. It's more or less in between the two extremes, so there's not an extreme to talk about. But again, if you look at the extreme in iCOT scores, and I'm just focused on the commercial side of it, you can see that this current reading is actually very high. So that's, besides the fact that we have this bullish change signal in the classic COT report issued by CFTC, this is quite the signal, I would say. Moving on to our next market, heating oil, 20% change over there in commercials net positions. Let's have a look at that. So we're going to take large speculators off. Here we go. So that's the 20%, larger than average. We have seen greater changes in the past, suggesting weakness coming in the near term. Moving our attention over to the 5 years chart, we are leaning towards the bearish side of the market right now. And I forgot to talk about the iCOT scores. That's also supporting the thesis of potential, weakening in this market. Now, of course, we are talking about an energy, and these days, the geopolitical situation is such that we should, keep our eyes on that as well. There's no extreme to talk about, much of an extreme. If you really wanted to, as I said, it's more towards the bearish side of the market. And it's really just the change, which is bearish, and the iCOT scores, which is also bearish. By the way, if you are interested in this tool, so we have it on the website. It's of course corresponding to this daily candlestick chart. So every movement is corresponding to a daily candlestick. But I'd like to show you the tool. You can actually download it on NinjaTrader, or you can use it on TradingView. So this is the iCOT scores indicator that we are very, very proud to have. We spent many years of research developing it, and it's a great tool to supplement classic COT analysis, finding those great entry and exit points. We do differentiate between speculators and commercials. Mind you, the data itself is not directly from CFTC. As you can see, this example is a gold chart, a 1 minute candlestick chart, yet we see these lines. We call them the iCOT scores lines, and they do act very similarly to the COT index underneath here. So it's a value that's going between -100 and +100. And at certain extremes, you can see over here, if we have both commercials and speculators at an extreme, we get this vertical line. We call it a stripe signal, red indicating a short signal, green indicating a buying opportunity. The extreme in commercials in itself is actually represented with a yellow diamond above the candle if it's a bearish signal, or below the candle if it's a bullish signal. Speculators, on the other hand, they simply change the candlestick's color to blue, indicating that there's an extreme. So anyways, you can read into this if you have time. It's a great tool. I strongly advise to check it out. We're going to jump over livestock complex. We're going to open feeder cattle. And of course, we're not going to be expecting much of a different picture than what we just saw in live cattle. Of course, these markets strongly correlate with each other, but slightly smaller change in commercials net position. So you can see that 18% change over here, not the largest. We have seen a greater change a couple times in the past. It is suggesting strengthening, supported by iCOT scores. And of course, if we move to a 5-year chart, we can examine the stress level, which, if you look at the past, I'd say, what is that? Year and a half, 2 years. I would argue it's more bullish. It's more clear on this chart than it was on live cattle. Moving on to large speculators, COT Extreme analysis. We still have livestock markets on top of our list. We're going to jump over them. Of course, we have just talked about it. So I'm going to take down the iCOT scores here because it's just easier to see the net positions on 5-year chart here. Canadian dollar. What is that? 78 report extreme in large speculators net position. So you take this horizontal line, you can see that roughly back over here, the beginning of this year is where we had that extreme. It is leaning towards the bullish side of the market. You could see what happened to the dollar, the Canadian dollar. There was a dip below that that level there, but it eventually started to increase. And that is what we are expecting to happen again based on this stress level analysis. Moving over to Palladium, here we have a 57 report extreme. So basically, we've been at this level roughly about a year ago, once again, supporting higher prices to come. And last but not least, let's have a look at the Australian dollar. 30 report extreme over here. Again, it's always advised to open the charts because that's where you can really measure recent net position values to historical levels. It is bullish, but we do see that on this 5-year chart, there's space left for commercials and large speculators to reach even greater extremes. So don't be surprised if that happens. Don't forget, we are a service around the commitments of traders reports. So we offer a wide range of tools to analyze these reports. If you have a specific market, let's talk about the Australian, or open the Australian dollar. You can see, you can really dig deep into your analysis. I don't think there are any other services out there that really offer you these capabilities. You can download these images, export the data if you're a pro member, and some wonderful features. You can definitely check these out. By the way, we do have some great deals going on in our summer deal campaign. Go check that out if you'd like to take advantage of these really great prices. And if you have any questions, just feel free to comment underneath the video or send us an email to info@COTBASE.com. Thank you very much for your attention. Have a wonderful rest of your weekend. See you next time.